Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my channel and I hope you are doing great. So friends, in this working video, I'm going to show you the best free React.js admin dashboard template 2026. Yes, today is 29, so I can say 2026 best top 7 React admin dashboard templates as well. And all are free of cost. So fam, before showing you working demo and code, I must say please watch the video till the end and please subscribe my channel for latest updates. So friends, here we go. So guys, first we have Horizon Free. See, React Tailwind admin dashboard template. See, beautiful template. The sidebar and the content section with dark and light view as well. Beautiful charts and table as well. And free in free version we have these pages. And next we have Flowbite React Admin Dashboard template. See friends. The second free React Admin Dashboard. The sidebar and the beautiful content section. Also with dark and light view as well. See guys. In free version we have these pages. And next we have third one we have one React Tailwind. See with dark and light. See the sidebar and the beautiful content section. This is also free admin dashboard template. See guys. And next we have Tailwind admin dashboard template for e-commerce and multiple things as well. See guys, the beautiful toggle sidebar and also with dark and light view. See, that's beautiful. And fifth one, we have Mosaic Crypt React admin dashboard template. See friends, sidebar and the beautiful content section with dark and light view. See the beautiful charts, just brilliant. And sixth one, we have Mantis React admin dashboard template. Sidebar with toggle functionality, quit, and multiple things. See guys. And last but not the least, seventh one, Core UI React admin dashboard template. See friends, dark and light view, beautiful. See friends. And guys, also all are free templates. And friends, like always, I will share all the course snippet link inside this video description as well. And friends, if you will have any kind of query, session requirement, then feel free to comment on this video. Also, you can contact me via my blog, therichpost.com. And friends, after it, I will come with more free stuff. So, friends, this is it, and I must say, Happy Christmas, Merry Christmas, and Happy New Year in advance as well. So, friends, thank you for watching this video. Thank you. Have a nice day. Take care. Bye bye.